In primetime news this evening, medical consultant reveals lack of ICU bed space contributed to demise of Mario Dean.
JTA again raises alarm about JTC bill in its current form.
And later, family disputes leading to death. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up in the business news, MBJ Airports Limited to introduce biometric data system at Sangster International.
And Renato is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Janella, Cricket West Indies considering investing in Major League Cricket in the United States, and top Jamaican sprinter set to miss World Relays after injury at Grand Slam track league. We'll have those and much more in Primetime Sports.
I wonder who is that? I'm not sure. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what are your thoughts on the JTA's position on the Jamaica Teaching Council bill?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.